Thanks for clicking on the video of our 2022 Case IH 9250 combine. I'm here in Judah, Wisconsin. We just got this thing traded in from a customer that bought a new 9260. This is a 3-year-old machine, 15 engine, 12 and a little change on the separator. 3 years of use, so the guy uses it. 3 years, 500 hours a year, but does a pretty good job of keeping it maintained, and don't really have a lot of problems, or we haven't seen any problems with it yet. The overall condition is pretty reasonable for the hours. The feeder house looks good. The rock trap, I didn't think that the looked okay on the spirals on the beater. These are the big LSW 14 tires. Condition of the paint is nice. The vertical delivery auger, or vertical auger to the grain tank, I'm sure that's original. It's okay. The chains look all right. This is a setup with a 2-wheel drive. Did climb up on top, and incline delivery auger I think is okay too. The I would assume it's all original. I looked in the opened up the right hand side and looking at the transition cone, that looked fine. There weren't any gashes or wear areas. That's clean grain elevator, I think is okay. I can post, or I think I have the original invoice on this one, or the original build sheet posted, and come over to Judah and you will find the combine. We can climb upstairs here and look inside, I guess. Steps are real square. The paint is all the same color. Now, what that is, I don't know if he had some sort of a tool kit or something. Maybe fire extinguishers. Luxury cab, diff lock. It's got true sight. We'll fire it up and drive around a little. These are the controls to run the power fold covers and the folding auger. Confirm the hours here in just a second. At 1566 over 1127. So that's our combine. Appreciate you watching the video.